Hey guys, it's Andy Hubba with Exit Realty Professionals, your market guide from entry to exit. As always, you can find me online at andyhubba.com or on my cell 757-515-3028. This is 1360 Eagle Avenue in the Green Run section of Virginia Beach, Virginia. This is a fully renovated 3-bed, 2-bath ranch. It's got new siding, new architectural roof, new HVAC, new windows, new paint, new fixtures, new floors, new bathroom vanities, new kitchen. What am I missing? New interior doors. It's like effectively new, although it's not new. But anyway, so LVP in the foyer here, coat closet. This one's got a really nice layout. Again, this is 1360 Eagle Avenue in the Green Run section of Virginia Beach. We're real close to the Centera medical area at Princess Anne, Landstown shopping, Salem Crossing. The Lynnhaven Mall area is not far away. This is a wood-burning fireplace. It's in great shape. You can see the beam detail in a few of these rooms, which is cool. Brand new kitchen here, soft close, full wood overlay cabinets here. You can see the crown molding detail. Full Frigidaire stainless appliance package. Granite tops throughout. Awesome backyard. I'll give you another perspective on this. Utility area here. Again, this floor is like scratch resistant, waterproof. It's really just a great product. Attached garage here, brand new garage door opener. You do have access to the side through this door, and then they did a bunch of new privacy fencing. Again, if you're looking to get top dollar for a house in Green Run or really anywhere in Hampton Roads, I'd be happy to consult with you. Dining area here. Note the chair rail detail. Again, just a lot of neat features in here. And the new windows, double hung, new sliding door here. So this is where I'll probably show the best angle of the backyard. So patio there, and then just a nice big, mostly open, mostly cleared backyard. Down the hallway here, we transitioned a new carpet, and we got bedroom number 1, new ceiling fans, bedroom number 2. Here's the hall bath. Go back to that LVP. Nice big granite top vanity, new light fixture, new toilet, new tub with the shower surround. Even have crown in here, which is cool. Linen closet, and then here's bedroom number 3, the primary bedroom. It's on the back of the house, so it's insulated a bit, but you can see it's a pretty generous space. Got some good natural light. Walk-in closet here. And then your ensuite bathroom. You got the dual vanity here with the same cabinets in granite. Back to that LVP. Crown in here, new light. And then the separate toilet and shower area. So this shower is brand new, the walk-in shower. So it's nice and big. It's got the storage built in. So really just a nice unit. All in all, just a really neat house. It's hitting the market just before Christmas 2021. Thanks again for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. I look forward to connecting with you guys. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. And make sure when you're home shopping to make it a priority. Have some fun.